Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at the EURGBP pound here as this market is forming a falling wedge that I think it is visible from the moon. Now, it doesn't mean that the falling wedge is already completed, as it might be that we still need a new leg lower, but the fact that this trend line makes price reacting from here to here implies that we might see the end of the, let's say, painful downtrend on the euro and Great Britain pound, at least for the days to come. Now, of course, that the ECB is going to come on this Wednesday with the press conference and so on, and keep in mind that Bank of England is not due this week, so it's only about the European Central Bank and what those guys are going to do, and especially what Draghi is going to say at the press conference. But this one here is a falling wedge, and like any falling wedge, it has one important characteristic. First of all, it is forming, or it is being formed only out of corrective waves. It starts from the top from this moment of time, so only out of corrective waves, and it goes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be the structure. So this would be the first wave to the downside, then the second wave here, then the third wave, then the fourth wave, then the fifth wave here. This will be the first scenario, and if you want, I will make it with a different color. Let's make it in red. Now, there is another possibility that this falling wedge not to be completed, so just going long here or buying call options would not be wise, as it might be the first wave, the second wave to be done here, the third wave, the fourth, and then the fifth to the downside, but not in the length, or not bigger than the third wave, as even in a terminal impulsive move, there is not possible for the third wave to be the shortest one. And there is even the third scenario, if you want, and the third scenario goes with this being the first, of course, this being the second, this being the third here, now to have the fourth around here, or maybe even breaking this so-called 2 to 4 trend line, and then another move lower, and then the market to move to the upside. What I'm trying to say is that this being Wednesday, and this being the 4-hour chart, we may have the chance that this market to be done, if you want, until the end of the week. Even if the option is going to expire out of the money, then next week we should go and trade call options again. Why? Because this is being called a terminal impulsive move, and a terminal impulsive move is always being completed. So ready or not, this falling wedge will still break to the upside. If you want, as a confirmation, we should look for overlapping within the first and the fourth wave. If this is the fourth wave, the fourth wave to come, nevertheless, still lower values, still higher values for the pair. As a consequence, I am buying call options with end of week expiration date, as this market is looking quite bullish based on this pattern. Again, even if the option will end up out of the money, we will jump in next week as the falling wedge should break higher. Have a great day. Bye bye.